Hello, good day, and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with BECE 2018 Mathematics Past Question, question 38. Complete the following set of Pythagorean triple: 5, 12, and dash. A 19, B 15, C 14, and D 13. So we have to complete the following set of Pythagorean triple. When you see Pythagorean triple, what should come to your mind is the Pythagoras rule. The Pythagoras rule or theory. Now, this can just simply be represented with a what? With a right angle triangle. A right angle triangle. Now let's say we have an angle theta here. Let's say we have an angle now. Now this Pythagorean triple here will be 12, and here will be 5, and we are asked to find what x here. This is a Pythagorean triple. Simple representation of a Pythagorean triple. Now we have 12, 5, and x, and like we know, this x here represents the hypotenuse. So therefore, to find the Pythagorean triple, applying the Pythagoras rule, we say x square is equal to what? 12 square plus 5 square. So x square is equal to what? 12 square is equal to what? 144 plus 25, and this is equal to x square is equal to 169. Now to find x, we simply take the square root of x, that's square root of both sides, and then x is equal to square root of x square is x, and square root of 169 is equal to 13. So x is equal to 13. Now from the options here, options A says 19, which is wrong, B says 15, which is wrong, C says 14, which is wrong, and D says 13, which is correct. So our final answer is D, 13. Thank you very much, and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos.